pagwakas. For Bethel, for works, for Rachel, for Uriel, in sickness and in health, in death to us part.
Nakakilala kami sa school nung enrollment for college. So, I approached him kasi nakapila sa line. Ako yung unang puusap sa kanya. But before that, I offered my umbrella to share it with him kasi masyado mainit. Maybe kasi napansin ko na initan siya and medyo cute kasi yung tingin ko sa kanila. So, medyo nagpapansin.
Yola! Yola, is that?
Mommy!
Yola, is that?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na pinakalaki niya sa akin. At tinanggap ko naman ako bilang nobya mo at bilang magiging asawa mo.
Yola, is that?
Ngayon,
Who's daddy? Sana ATM. So, oo nga, taling-tali na. Thank you, Kelvin, for the gift. Salamat. I love you.
Who's that? Who's that?
You will find me when you need me. I am watching you. Don't worry. You will find me when you call me. I am listening.
Kasama ang Diyos, mamahalin kita, susundin mo, pinag-respetuhin, uunawatin, pagsisintihan ang pamumuhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hey, what do you say? Who's that? Mommy and?
Daddy.
Are Are you happy to see our wedding video? Are you happy?
Daddy.
Are you happy?